In this video, we learn solving problems involving straight lines. In the diagram, OPQR is a parallelogram with O as the origin and Q lies on the x-axis. Given that y-intercept of the line QR is 10, calculate. Okay, before we go to the questions, we try to manipulate the information given. From question, we can get Q lies on the x-axis. In other words, y-coordinate is 0. Then get y-intercept of the line QR is 10. This is y-intercept is variable c in y equal mx plus c. Okay, here we can get, after we substitute inside, substitute c equal 10 r, okay, point r axis 8 and y equal to 2. Now, so 2 equal to 8m plus 10. After that, we can get 8m equal to negative 8. So m equal to negative 1. Okay, from here, we can get equation of QR equal y equal negative x plus 10. Remember, label the equation into the diagram. From diagram, we notice that point Q lies on the line RQ. If a point lies on it is satisfy the equation. Substitute x equal to Q and y equal to 0 into this equation. Y equal to negative x plus 10. Here's 0 equal to negative q plus 10. Then q equal to 10. Lastly, we get coordinate of q, 10, 0. Please do remember label the finding in the diagram. Let's continue answering question. Question A. The equation of straight line OR. From diagram, we get the coordinate point R. This is distance of horizontal and vertical. So vertical distance is 2 units, while horizontal distance is 8 units. From gradient, y equal to v over h, substitute them into the equation. Then we can get m equal to 2 over 8 equal to 1 over 4. Next, find y-intercept. From diagram, y-intercept is 0. Okay, therefore, equation of OR is y equal to 1 over 4x. Question B. The gradient of line RQ. We have found the equation from previous slide, which is y equal to negative x plus 10. From here, we can grab the gradient is negative 1. Hence, gradient of RQ is negative 1. From question C, we need to calculate the coordinate of point P. Since the OPQR is a parallelogram, from its property, we know that OP is parallel to RQ. Distance of OP equal to distance of RQ. We can identify the distance of vertical and horizontal of RQ. From here, we can get the vertical is 2. The horizontal is 10 minus 8 equal to 2. After that, we bring them to the other side because they are congruent. From Cartesian plan, we can get the coordinate of point 2, negative 2. Now, let's try using calculation to find the answer. From diagram, we notice point P is the intersection point of line OP and PQ. However, we have known this equation. First step, find equation OP. From diagram, gradient of RQ equal gradient of OP. We can grab the gradient from equation RQ. Y equal negative x plus 10, which is equal to negative 1. Then we can see the y-intercept is equal to 0. Therefore, equation of OP is y equal to negative x. Step 2. Find equation PQ. Similarly, we can grab the gradient of PQ from gradient OR from equation y equal to 1 over 4x. Then the gradient is 1 over 4. Then we can notice no y-intercept is given. To find the c in the y equal mx plus c, okay, we substitute a point in the gradient equation. Okay, substitute y equal to 0, x equal to 10, and m equal to 1 over 4 into y equal mx plus c. Then after simplify, we can get negative 5 over 2. Therefore, equation of PQ is y equal 1 over 4x minus 5 over 2. Lastly, we need to determine the intersection point. Okay, here we have two equations. We have two methods to solve the simultaneous linear equation: substitution or elimination method. Since both equations have similarly as y as the subject, so we direct use the substitution method. So right part of the first equation equal the right part of the second equation. After substitute, move the negative 5 over 2 to left. Its inverse become at 5 over 2 on left. Okay. And move the negative x to right. Its inverse is adding x. Adding the like terms, 1 plus 1 over 4x. Okay, we can get 5 over 4x. To get the positive 1 as the coefficient of x, to move 5 over 4 to the other side by upside down the values, become 4 over 5. Then 5 over 2 times 4 over 5 equal to 2. Okay, after getting the x value, remember substitute into first equation. From here, y equal to negative 2. Here we can get the coordinates of P is 2, negative 2.